Jeddah to look at the tulips that we planted together to celebrate spring that is coming. These tulips are a beautiful witness of the good relations between our two countries. Also in the Netherlands, they will start blooming really soon. I can see that many people come to the Tulip Festival to enjoy the colors and to enjoy the promise of the new season that's coming. So we're happy to be here. I've even seen Bollywood films that are featuring these beautiful tulips. So I think it's a wonderful way of bonding our two peoples. Happy to be here. Thank you.
From breaking news, detailed analysis, in-depth interviews and explainers, follow the Times of India. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like our videos and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest.